Bad habits can be difficult to break, but with determination, self-awareness, and the right strategies, anyone can overcome them. Whether it's procrastination, unhealthy eating, excessive screen time, or any other habit that negatively impacts our lives, change is possible. The key is to understand why these habits exist, develop a strong mindset, and replace them with positive behaviors. Understanding bad habits. The first step in breaking a bad habit is understanding why it exists. Habits are formed through repetition and are often linked to certain triggers. For example, someone who eats junk food while watching TV might not be hungry but eats out of habit. Similarly, checking social media excessively could be a response to boredom or stress. Identifying the underlying cause of a habit helps in finding ways to replace it. Bad habits often provide temporary pleasure or relief, but lead to long-term negative consequences. For instance, smoking may reduce stress momentarily, but it harms health in the long run. Recognizing these consequences can serve as motivation to quit. Steps to overcome bad habits. Number 1. Identify triggers. Every habit has a trigger. It could be an emotion, a specific time of day, or a social situation. By identifying what prompts a bad habit, you can work on removing or altering these triggers. For example, if stress leads to excessive eating, finding healthier ways to manage stress, such as exercising or meditation, can help break the habit. Number 2. Set clear goals. Decide exactly what habit you want to eliminate and set a clear goal. Instead of saying, "I will stop eating junk food," say, "I will eat healthy meals 5 days a week." Clear and specific goals make it easier to track progress and stay motivated. Number 3. Replace bad habits with good ones. One of the most effective ways to eliminate a bad habit is to replace it with a positive one. Instead of scrolling through social media before bed, read a book. Instead of smoking when stressed, practice deep breathing exercises. By replacing the bad with the good, the brain gradually rewires itself to adopt new, healthier behaviors. Number 4. Take small steps. Trying to quit a habit suddenly can be overwhelming. Instead, take small steps. If you want to stop drinking soda, reduce the intake gradually instead of quitting all at once. This makes the process more manageable and increases the chances of long-term success. Number 5. Surround yourself with support. Having supportive friends or family members can make the journey easier. Share your goal with someone who can hold you accountable. You can also join a group or community with similar goals. When you have people encouraging you, staying committed becomes easier. Number 6. Be patient and forgiving. Breaking a bad habit takes time. If you slip up, don't be discouraged. Instead of giving up, learn from the mistake and continue moving forward. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Conclusion. Getting rid of bad habits requires effort, but it is achievable. By understanding triggers, setting clear goals, replacing bad habits with good ones, taking small steps, seeking support, and practicing patience, anyone can transform their life. The key is consistency and determination. Start today, and you will soon see positive changes in your life. Thank you.